Hello, I hope you're okay. And in this lesson, you are going to learn how to use call it a day in a sentence, but we shall also see the definition of call it a day. Now, let's begin with the definition of call it a day. Then we shall see how you can use it in a sentence through the examples that we have in this lesson. Now, call it a day means stop doing something. Stop doing something. Call it a day. Stop doing something. So to call it a day is to stop doing something. But another definition is stop working for the day. Stop working for the day. Call it a day also means stop working for the day. So to call it a day means to stop working for the day. The first one is to stop doing something. The second one is to stop working for the day. Now let's go to the examples and see how you can use call it a day in a sentence. Let's begin with the first example. Example 1. Example 1. I have been doing this business for so many years. I think it's time to call it a day. I have been doing this business for so many years. I think it's time to call it a day. Which means that I have been doing this business for so many years. I think it's time to stop doing it. Because we have seen that call it a day means stop doing something. Therefore, if you have been doing that business for so many years and you want to call it a day, it means that you want to stop doing that business. Let's go to number 2. Example number 2. We have been singing since morning, that's why everybody is tired. Let's call it a day. We have been singing since morning, that's why everybody is tired. Let's call it a day. Now here, in this sentence, call it a day means let's stop singing for today. Let's stop singing for today. Therefore, instead of saying call it a day, you can say we have been singing since morning, that's why everybody is tired. Let's stop singing for today. But you can simply say let's call it a day instead of saying let's stop singing for today. As we have seen also in the first example, instead of saying I think it's time to stop doing this business, you can simply say it's time to call it a day. Now I hope through these two examples you have at least got something that can help you when it comes to using call it a day in a sentence as well as what it means. See you in the next lesson.